In this video, I will show how to square root a number in Microsoft Excel. Like, uh, like I will type here number and here square. So 25, and we will find here square root for this number. So type this formula equal sign SQRT. Double click on it and select this cell, closing bracket and press enter. So we have this now square root for this particular number. So easy and simple way. Type equal and type SQRT, this function, double click on it, select your number and just type closing bracket and press enter. Now drag and drop. That's it. Thanks for watching.